Welcome back to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. In this video, we'll be discussing how one can prepare for the reading section of the IELTS academic test. Now, there is nothing much that we can prepare in the reading section because it's just about reading a passage and answering certain type of questions. But what happens if you are reading the passage but you are not able to gather that much interest, because the topic you will find are not so good. You won't have any interest in reading those passages. So what you have to do is you have to prepare your mind. You have to make your mind exercise to read these types of passage and comprehend and understand the meaning from these passages. Because once you start doing this, once you understand the meaning of the passage and the meaning of the text, you will be easily able to answer all the types of questions. So please read different types of articles from topics you have zero interest in. I mean literally zero interest. If you are an automotive enthusiast, read about historians. If you like cooking, don't read articles about how to cook good food. Read articles about automobile. So read articles from topics that you have zero interest in, that you never wanted to read about. Focus on that, and I'm pretty sure with great amount of practice you will be easily able to improve your reading score. So that's it, guys. If you want to jump to different section for IELTS Academic, you can click on the cards here in the screen. If you want to move back to the main menu, you can see the card pop up right up here. Thanks for watching, guys.